Good news, good news. Guys, Grok AI is back. See, this is an amazing platform. I know you love Grok AI. You want to keep creating quality videos and quality images. I'm going to introduce to you something that Grok has made free for content creators. Guys, if you're a content creator, you're building on YouTube here, you are into storytelling, AI animation, AI video generation, whatever, as long as you use Grok AI. What this particular feature does and how you can use it, the step-by-step guide on how you can develop your workflow and keep it flowing. Guys, if you are smart, you're going to jump on this and keep it going. So guys, let's go. Grok AI is back. This is how people are creating cinematic animations with Grok. And most people don't even understand how it works. So this is not just a normal AI tool. Grok works differently because it can generate and animate scenes from your prompts. Wow. And this is where it gets powerful. What you are seeing here is powered by something called an API. Don't let that scare you. It simply means this tool can be controlled directly without clicking everything manually. This is like automation. So instead of generating your scenes one by one, you can actually build a workflow where everything connects from your script to your animation. Wow. This is where it is getting interesting. So I'm going to guide you and take you through step by step on how you can get this done. So right here, this is the interface. So what you need to do is just to drop your prompt, turn it into motion. Guys, are you ready for this? Now, if you are just starting, you can use it like this. So it's just simple and direct. But if you understand API, you can automate everything. See, Grok is making it very fun for us. This is exactly how I created this animation you are watching right now. So now for us to start, creating our video, all right, for example, we want to convert image to text or text to video, all right. So now I want to use text to video. I want to generate something very quick for us to see. You have to go to where you have your prompt. This is where you have to put your prompt, all right. This is where you have your prompt here, all right. Now this is your output where you're going to preview it. Then the next thing is you are going to select your aspect ratio. So I'm going to select the aspect ratio, correct aspect ratio. Now mode, I'm going to use normal. I don't want fun, I don't want spicy. Duration 6 seconds or 10 seconds. So let's just put it at 10 seconds, right? 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, let's see if this is higher tier top up to, oh my goodness. So let's see if this is actually free. All right, so let's the resolution should be here. All right, so this is what we need. Okay, or better still, we can still keep it at 6 seconds if you want, but 10 seconds is still okay, right? Now let's see. Now after everything has been set, okay, so let's copy our prompt. I have my prompt already, here. Let's my prompt is already here, right? I already have my prompt here, so I'm going to open my prompt. So let's see if truly Grok is back. So now this is the title of my story, but I don't want to create everything because I just want to show you that it can work. So hop on it and start creating before they change their mind. Create. So this is my story, right? And I have my master prompt. This is my master prompt, right? So we are going to copy all of these. This is the master prompt. Copy everything. You remove that, just copy everything, head over to this prompt, paste it here. All right, then remove this, get it off. Okay, great. You can just get your prompt, now you go to scene 1. Remember, I want to create our image and make it to talk. Oh, beautiful. I can't wait to see how this is going to turn into. This is our scene 1, right? Awesome. Then we now go and get our animation prompt. This is our master prompt for animation prompt, right? Image to video prompt animation. So maybe this is what we would have copied. Forget about the image generation. Okay, just copy your animation prompt, then head over again and paste it. All right, paste it, then go back again, copy the scene 1 of the animation. Do you understand? Now I want to generate everything in one place, so just copy all your prompts to one place. I want to show you something amazing stuff here. So what let's say voiceover, right? Let's add our voiceover. Or but what should we make it to talk? So we are going to add this prompt. I already generated them and keep. Okay, Yes, so let's see. Add it. Great, we've actually added our animation 20 credits. All right, so the next thing we are going to do, I feel like, okay, so should we add this voiceover or should we add a dialogue? So if we should add our dialogue, I already have my dialogue here, so I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and get my dialogue here, a very short one, very short for scene 1, so that you can just set an example for you to see. So you can start creating. This is our scene 1. Yes, I already generated all of these things, so don't feel that, oh, why is she so fast? No, just generate your prompt. It's not hard. It's not as hard as you think. Just follow these steps, come back and watch it again. Amazing. So this is the number of coin that is going to go, 20 coin, 20 credits, right? So I'm going to go ahead and run this if we are ready, if our prompts are ready. I don't want this video to be very long because this is not my AI channel. If you want to know more, you click on the collaborator and join my AI channel so that you see more of this. I needed to inform my audience that, hey, Grok AI is back. You should start using it for your content creation. So you will not see a detailed information, but this is exactly what you need to start with. So go ahead and run it. Now let's see if it's going to give us, okay, now this is where it's going to come up. Wow, guys, this is, let's just put your fingers cross your finger. Let's see how it goes. I can't wait to see the outcome of this is beautiful, guys. This is amazing progress. Okay, so I'm going to show you the output. All right, so let me not keep you waiting. I'm going to pause the video, okay, and I'll show you the output. Let me just pause it. Wow. guys, I can't wait to play. Should I play this? Woo!
You still they do all this stress work. At least it's honest.
Oh my god, guys!
You just want soft life.
You still they do all this stress work? At least it's honest. Me, I just want soft life. Two identical sisters, but completely different lives.
Oh my
god. Two identical sisters, but completely different
lives. I love it. Guys, this is superb. This is too much. This is too much. You go ahead and download it and you're good to go. Guys, go and use Grok AI. It is now free. You can see it, right? No capping. You can keep generating, generating more and more.